All right, if you'll grab 3 of these.
Yeah.
Let's put them out 1, 2, 3 like the other side.
Those don't go there?
Yeah. We're here at a big commercial job. We are installing plants today, or laying them out at least. We had a huge delivery this morning of over 500, I think, container plants. Today the idea of the plan is to lay everything out and then start installing, and then we'll mulch. So a couple big days, a lot of plants, a lot of digging. So
well, we're just knocking these plants off one by one here, highlighting what we've already done so we know where we got to go to next. We've got all this done all the way down through here, all the way down through here. That was an error. I did that on accident. Don't pay no attention to that. So we're gonna start here, and we'll just count our plants as we go, mark them with a highlighter as we go. You got a reference right over here so you know what your plants are, and just keep working our way around, get all of them laid out, and then we'll come back behind and plant them. Try to do all this today. That's all we got, folks.
So this here is a rain bird. It's a rain sensor. What it does is it has this gutter clamp, so you'll clamp it to your gutter, and this sticks out on the side of one of these like that. And when it rains, it stops the control panel from turning on a rainy day. So it saves the customer money and having to come outside in the rain to turn their system off.
where we have the plant set out, I don't want it to be real muddy.
Yeah, no, I just need to make sure 1 and 2 are running.
Okay.
Everything's
running.
We got drip running right now, Johnny.
That's gonna be.
So get plant set out today, start planting, hopefully get the irrigation done. Tomorrow, plant all day. Thursday, mulch. It's 11. I think we'll have the plants almost done, laid out by lunch.
We're on lunch. I got me some, what do I got here? It's like some leftovers. What are you eating for lunch?
I'm having 1 bag of potato chips, 1 Mountain Dew.
How was that tree you planted?
You wanna go see my tree?
Let's go check out your tree.
This is me and Jose's tree.
I didn't do nothing, it's yours.
You helped me dig it.
I did for like 2 seconds and they had me doing some other job.
Look at the tree. What you got?
What you got for lunch today?
Same as yesterday, friends.
Yeah?
Tuna with no mayonnaise. Anybody got mayonnaise?
No.
No mayonnaise.
It's going good. It's cold today, but we're making a lot of progress.
Yeah, I had my tree.
Eric's doing a great job.
There you go.
All right, this is day 2 at Dominion project. We got all the container plants in, and we're working on the trees. Almost done with the trees. Got a little bit more to go for that, but here's one of the trees right here. This is what we call a B&B tree, ball and burlap. I believe this variety is a Winter King hawthorn. And typically what we'll do is we'll dig the hole bigger than the root ball. We'll remove the cage completely, roll the tree into the hole with the burlap still on. Once it's in the hole, make sure it's all level, whatnot, and we'll come in and cut typically about the top half of the burlap off and remove that. Fill back in, pack it in, and eventually it'll get a little mulch ring around it. I'll get some water on it and it'll be good to go.
Just for future reference, I think spreading mulch with your hands is way better. Look at that. I mean, that is beautiful. Beautiful. All hands.
I did it with my
no
hands.
pitchfork, no rakes. Look at those edges. look at the line against the building. There's no way you can do it better with a pitchfork and a rake.
Today we are planting 3,660 bare root vinca. They're in little bundles, and we are covering this hillside, putting them on 1 foot centers. So we have a couple of base rows started where we are gonna kind of go off of those. We've got a grid laid out going up every foot, and it's matching up on each side of the hill. And our hopes is that next spring she won't have to worry about mowing this, and it's gonna be gorgeous. It's evergreen, blooms purple. She'll be so happy.
We want everyone, a solid crowd of people gathering.
With this little guy, and line that little guy up with that little guy up there, and then I think we're just gonna pull this tight and
Perfect.
drill and scoot and pine straw and drill and scoot and pine straw and see what happens. Auger bit / walking stick.
Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I've got somebody that has really stepped up, started learning some new responsibilities, some new skill sets, and I'm really proud of this young man and how far he's come. And so this morning we're going to honor Kevon.
Well, today what we're doing, we're laying drip line from the irrigation pipes. Once we get all this laid, the other guy's gonna come through with the mulch, cover it up, and you won't even know it's there. Woo! The drip line is here to keep the plants watered, so people don't have to come and water them themselves.
What is the difference between drip line and a regular irrigation head?
The drip line just drips like little water. The irrigation head like sprinkles. My mentor taught me everything I need to know with season change. If it wasn't because of him, I wouldn't know half of the stuff I know now. So I thank this guy. We got a love you hate relationship. You know? One day I love him, next day I hate him.
Yeah, just dress appropriately once the weather starts dropping. After this rain hits, it's supposed to get down in the 30s this week.
That a life without limits is not a good life. I'll say that again, a life without limits is not a good life. What's that, y'all help me out, what's that mean?